Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can turn your account on Instagram from professional or creator to a private account or a personal account. So let's get right into it. First thing you want to do is go to your profile page by clicking on your profile icon in the bottom right, and then once you're here, as you can see, I have a professional dashboard option, which means my account is a business account. And then you can go into the top right under your settings and activity on those three horizontal bars. Just tap that icon and you'll get here. Then you want to scroll down until you see business tools and controls. This is pretty much your main business options for your account, where you can change several things about your account and about your business, but this is exactly where you can switch your account type back to your personal account. The fourth option from the bottom is, as you can see, switch account type. Tap that and then you can select personal account if you want to. I'll select it right now, and as you can see, you will lose all your insights up to that point, so think twice before confirming. But if I confirm by clicking switch to personal account, it's going to take a couple of seconds. As you can see, it's loading or buffering in the top right. However, after a certain amount of time, I will get a notification such as this, which says switch back to personal account. And as you can see, I'm back to settings and activity, and once you've done that, your account is now personal once again. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.